G'day viewers, I've been waiting a while for this. It's a little battery tester. Let's test some batteries, see how Googled they are. I did some off-camera tests. I'm pretty impressed by the results. So I can set this up here. Sit that there and I'll just plug the other lead in. We can test around the condition of the battery. Let it load up. It's a 600 cold cranking amp, so we'll set that on test with half a T showing. Upside down L's, that's all we can fit in the screen. Oh, it's only halfway there. 9 milliohms I reckon. There's a good range. It's only, it's not too bad. It's half the condition it should be in. It's in a bit better nick than I thought. I'll let it keep desulfate and see if hopefully it comes better. So it's got 311.4 cold cranking amps out of 600 left in it. So what should be a tractor battery is now a little 4-cylinder car battery. Is what's left in this thing. Let's test this one. I get a tripod for these because doing this, holding the camera's a bit difficult. And when we do the test, we'll take the zapper off. We'll do this. Let's see what the reading is without the zapper. Here's putting 40 to 70 volts to it. I want to put that sort of voltage to this. This one is a 480 cold cranking amp, so I've got to set the cold cranking amp value. Go backwards, shortcut. Oops, no it's not. You can't go backwards. It usually uses a 1 digit and goes backwards, doesn't do it on this one. On test. Gee, this is very low, 10%. 30.21 milliohms, so that's pretty high. This one's Googled. 480 cold cranking amps, only got 82.43 cold cranking amps. This thing's only good for a little lawnmower, that's all that's left in it. It used to be good for starting the Commodore, but a 6-cylinder, a V6, but now it's only good for a lawnmower. Next battery. Apparently it's the hot heat. Lead acid batteries love heat, so apparently the best thing to do is desulfate them when they're hot. Apparently it's better for the battery. I don't know. It could speed up the destruction process or the sulfation process. Sometimes you can skip this. It's a 600, so we'll set that. Okay, and we'll test it. It's a pretty old battery, this one. Pretty degraded. Let's see what it measures. Whoa, that's way buggered. Only 31 cold cranking amps left. Man, this thing's only good for a little bloody key start, bloody single cylinder stationary engine, like a key start Honda GX140 or something like that, or even a little motorbike. That's not much at all left in that. 5%. Yeah, this thing's pretty Googled. But I don't know, I'll see what a good charge would do after all this desulfating. It may improve a little bit. There. That. Okay, there. It's what is it? It's a 450. Oops. Should have pressed that one to select the next digit. You're supposed to set it properly, otherwise it won't give you a good reading. Whoa, that one's flat. 9.78 volts, 211.3 milliohms. This battery is very Googled. 4.4 cold cranking amps. Man, that's only 1% of what it should be. Yep, this thing's only good for blowing on a bit of steel wool, making it glow. That's all I can do. Wouldn't start nothing with that. That definitely needs a charge. Let's see what it'll do over the weekend. I might give it a bit of a top up with a charger, then test them. then see if they improve. Let's check this one. This one's a 720, so 6, 7. Yeah, I think this software does not charge, just zaps them. Yeah, I gotta top these up. Whoa, that's pretty, not too bad, not as bad as I thought. 45.9 cold cranking amps. No good. That's what the ENG stands for. It may improve with a charge though. It may. Let's see what happens after a couple of yeah, try and see if I get this topped up over the weekend, as I said. See what happens. Put that there. This one's a 600 cold cranking amp, so I'll set that. And that's it. Now listen, the plates look pretty falling apart in this one. Whoa. That's not too bad. Did a bit better than I thought it would be. Considering the condition of the plates in this battery. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Very handy little tool, have one of these in your glove box. Just runs off the battery itself, no internal battery. Just plug it in, test everything, your voltage, resistance, CCA value and your battery capacity. Pretty good little handy tool to have. Let's try this battery. No, this one's going to be bad. Let's see if it even powers this up. Well, it does power it up. This one's going to be real bad. Real bad. It's a 700, so that. It's going to be real bad. Testing. Whoa, 10.4 volts. Half an ohm. That's pretty bad. 1.95 cold cranking amp. This thing's real bad. I wonder if a good charge will fix this one up. I did it. This one here had a lot of. This has got a lot of very badly degraded plates, falling apart real bad in this one. This one is well past it. Anyway, thanks for watching.